a timeless land that is far out of reach. Even the second our hands of the clock, they look at us sideways as they tick and talk. How I hope to have forever to spend this life, no, our future life, right here in this world with you. Let's put away them far ahead. How do you do's and all the nice to meet yous, and breathe over 1,000 years, cycle in a single day. This world, it's made up entirely of dictionary words that saw through my kaleidoscope on a monotonous August morn. When he appeared in front of me, you acted shy but I didn't miss your grin and face, like it fits the textbook of this world of how to make you smile and face. I've been looking for incredibles, the meaning of unbelievable, even hope for tragedies if it goes with the thrill. But then you were standing in front of my door, with every piece in your hand that I could ask for. Oh, words like tomorrow